thank you so much for sending over these beautiful products. And as you know, guys, they do have some merch. The merch is really nice. I love this t-shirt. It says Nails and Coffee. But check out their website. I will leave the links in the description box down below. And I do have a discount code, and it will be in the description box down below as well. And so I just want to go ahead and get right into this, video, into the nail set. So I did went ahead and put on my full cover tips, and I'm doing a different shape this time. Usually I end up doing like square or coffin tips. So this time I changed my mind. I just want to do something different. So we are going to be doing a Christmas look with these nails, and I will be using their stamping plates as well. I'm not sure which one I will be using, but I will be incorporating these stamping plates. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell just in case you are, so you know when I do upload a new video. And yeah, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. All right, cool. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and did the second coat off camera, and I did cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do some stamping. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this blue strip, well, blue cover. Make sure you do take off the blue cover before you start doing any stamping. All right, so this is what the stamping plate looks like. I might use some off of this one as well. So Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and did my pinky and I put a little snowflake on her. So now we're going to go ahead and make her matte. I don't know, I think I should put some little dots on this one. I think that's cute. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Alright, so this is how she is looking. I am loving this. I actually love the shape on my hands. All right, so here's how she is looking. We're gonna go ahead and apply, so we're gonna apply some cuticle oil on my nails. All right, you guys, so here is the finished look. I am loving her. I'm actually loving the shape. And yes, she looks good. I am really liking stamping. I really want to get into stamping. I want all the stamping plates in the world. If I could, I would want them. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I will leave everything in the description box down below, all the links, my discount code, and everything. So once again, make sure you check out their merch. They do have some beautiful stuff in there on their website, merchandise wise and stamping plate wise as well. So once again, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to let you guys know when I do upload a new video. So with that being said, I will see you all in my next upload. Until then.